use Apple gift card on eBay. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Apple gift card on eBay. So first of all, just open your preferred browser and after that just search for ebay.com and you will be landed to the official website of eBay, where you can go ahead and explore the website and select the product that you want to purchase from different categories. Like for example, explore popular categories. When you click on it, you will see different options like electronics, games, beauty, fashion, and many other things. So in order to use your Apple gift card in your eBay account, you have to click on the product that you want to buy. For example, you want to buy these noise cancellation headphones. So just click on it, and after that just check out the product and select the color of your choice, for example triple black, and after that just simply click on buy it now. And after that you will be redirected to the checkout page where you have to mention your payment method. So just choose the payment method that you want to enter here, for example your credit or debit card or PayPal account or your Google Pay. And if you want to use your gift card, you just have to scroll down and here you will see the option called gift card, coupon, eBay bucks, and other options. So in order to use your Apple gift card, all you have to do is just enter the code here that you will have on your at the back of your Apple gift card. So you have to paste that code right here, and after that, once you've done that, just click on apply, and whatever amount that you have in your Apple gift card will be shown right here on this page, and the amount will be deducted from your Apple gift card only. So this way you will be able to use Apple gift card on your eBay. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.